square 4 in the Hayes hardware shop. This is a 1954 model, and there's a 1958 model here as well. So these are a pretty amazing engine in a square format, two at the rear and two at the front. I think they did have issues with the rear ones getting problems of over temperature, but anyway they persevered with this model for quite a few years. There's a few of them around. I've seen a few of them for sale on Trade Me. They tend to fetch around about 30 to 50,000 New Zealand dollars over here anyway. A good original one. There's so much to see here that I'd certainly recommend you come here. There's some guys here I just saw before talking to, they came across from Australia today to see this display, so definitely it creates a lot of interest. But the bikes are just in fabulous condition. Some Triumphs there, BSA, Vincent here. This is an imposing engine, this one. Look at the rear shocks on it. This is a heavy duty machine, this one is for sure. So this is the place to come to anyway. Okay, thank you for watching, and hope you come here one day yourselves. You'll really find this place really worth the visit. I'm really amazed how popular it is. There's so many people here today looking at bikes, that's for sure.